He's gobshite over my shoulder. Ludo. Anyway, good morning! I've dragged myself out of bed. I wasn't going to show that on camera. It's like a beached whale getting out into a wheelchair. So now we make our way to the landing and hail a taxi. So let's crack on. At the top of the stairs now. A little box of tricks. Let's see if it comes up first time. It's moving. Still going. Will it play ball today because it's not? Oh, no, it's stopped. Shouldn't have said anything, should I? It stopped again. Here it comes. Now we're firmly installed on the stair lift. So press to the button. We're making our way downstairs. Oh yes. We're going down, 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 deeper and down. It's like a little roller coaster in your house. Watch your head. It's a bit close. Let there be light. Oh look, there's a wheelchair there. So now I should transfer onto my wheels for the day. So I've had my breakfast, had my pills, cup of tea, second cup of tea's on its way. I've checked all my emails, absolute rubbish. Weather is pretty crap outside, so unless it turns out nice again, we shan't be going out there. So we'll find something else to do in the house. So far today has been pretty unproductive. The weather, I don't know if you can see out there, is pretty miserable. So I've been doing some stuff on the computer. Tina has had a productive morning. She's been in touch with orange.fr, and we're upgrading our internet and telephone line package because we was on a very old contract. So that's that. She's now outside blowing out the Hoover. These new bagless Hoovers are alright, but the filters get blocked, and if you haven't got an airline, you can have a job blowing them out. Luckily, we've got a compressor and an airline, etc, etc. So yeah, we blow it out and it's as good as new. So we've got some chilies growing here. Well, they're not growing, they're overwintering. So now, I'm going to have a spot of lunch. And then we'll see what happens this afternoon. Probably not a lot. I've come outside to brave the elements. I'm tucked in against the wall here because it's windy and I don't know if you'll hear me or not. But we'll have a quick look around outside while we're here. Tina's up there having a fag, look. Why do you have to close your eyes when you wave? I don't know. Come on, wave again. Oh, next door's taking off, look over there. This is one of the little jobs that I've got lined up in the garden, which I shan't be doing today because it is still pretty rubbish weather. But this is the bed where we're going to try the no dig experiment. So I should be pulling all the carrots up. They've not grown very big. Parsnips haven't grown very well at all, and those carrots have only just started growing. So I'm going to get them all dug up apply a fresh layer of compost. We'll dig all the weeds up first. Fresh layer of compost across the top, and then probably cover it up so that the rain doesn't wash away all the goodness. But that video will be coming later on when the weather's nice. I'll come out and do that, but we've had a break in the rain, so that's why I'm out here getting some fresh air. So let's move on. If you can see over my shoulder, we've had to take drastic measure with the greenhouse. The doors kept sliding undone, so Tina's ratchet strapped the doors up. Bit of rope hair there. And up the other side of the greenhouse we've got ratchet straps that go from one side to the other. Don't know if you can hear me, because it's quite blowy out here. It's getting proper blowy out here now. I think I'm going to retreat back indoors and see what I can do in there. I've got a little job to do later on because Tina's going out. She's got a rendezvous. And I think she's leaving me with all the ingredients to cook dinner. So we'll go through and see what's occurring indoors again. So there you go, guys. I've come in out of the rain and the wind and the miserable weather. I've just sat on the computer for an hour or so, and I've completed a course from the YouTube Creator Academy for the completion of Get Discovered. Look at that, I even got a certificate. Not that that's going on the wall, and I don't think I really know anything different to what I did before, but at least I've completed it, and I've got a couple more to do now. But I might have to start getting on with some dinner in a minute. So tonight I'm making creamy chicken pasta. For this I'm going to use 2 onions, a selection of mushrooms, some chicken breast, some garlic powder, some chili flakes. I've actually done a video for this dish, which I'll put a link to above there somewhere. It's quite an easy dish to do. You can use any variations you want, add whatever ingredients you like. And it is just super all-round family fun. Everyone will enjoy it, as long as they like pasta, cream, cheese, bit of chicken. Everyone likes a bit of chicken. The camera doesn't really do these onions justice. Tina seems to have a bit of dab hand at getting the cheapest, smallest onions, which burn your eyes and your nostrils and all sorts. These ones, am I in focus? Let's back the camera off a little bit. You need eye protection doing these. They're vicious. Right. Let's get back down to the chopping board. So all I'm going to do with the onions is cut them in half like that, and then just slice them. Oh, they're stinging the old eyes a bit. You don't see them on the telly, the TV chefs getting eyes all buggered up like this, do you? I wonder if they got some urchin out the back, cuts it all up for them. I'm just going to slice them up. Oh, my eyes are stinging. I don't know how many to do really. I'll just do enough so it looks nice in the pan. they're still quite alright, these mushrooms. Oh, I can't say, I'm going to end up chopping my fingers off in a minute. That'll be something for the camera, won't it? So now that's out of the way, got a frying pan. This is dried garlic. The reason we use this is the garlic bowls we've been buying up the supermarket have been utter rubbish. You get home and they've gone off. So with this dried garlic, we know what we're getting. The consistency is always the same. So I've done 2.5 teaspoons of dried garlic in there. And because we don't have any fresh chilies at the moment, here are some Thai red chilies that we dried with Tina's dehydrator through the year. And these are quite strong. Not the strongest, but they've got a good concentration of heat. When you can get into the pots. Oh, flipping heck. So, I'm going to be rather extravagant here tonight. Oh, Jesus. 1, 2 and a bit. Because we both like a bit of spice. When you add the cream, that takes a lot of the heat away. So now I'm going to add some olive oil and get it on the heat. Bought these for Tina for Christmas. She asked for wooden spatulas, so I got her a couple of wooden spoons. I don't know if I'm allowed to use them, but I'll give this a stir. She did put them right at the back. Whether that's so that I can't reach them or what, I don't know. But I'm going to use it. So we'll keep this one quiet. So there we go, all in the pan. Gently heat it up, cook it through. And all I do, when it's cooked through, is get some cream, drizzle the cream in, let that warm through, cook the pasta up, drain the pasta, combine the two, and away you go. Bob's your uncle. So that's been pretty much it. That has been my day today. Not a lot's been going on. Tina's still out over in her rendezvous. The wind is still going wild out there. And so that's about it. Nothing interesting is going to happen tonight. I'll probably do a bit of editing on the computer after dinner. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video. What I'm going to start doing is uploading once a week, just to keep it consistent while there's not a lot going on, you know, in the garden, that sort of thing. So I've decided I'm going to upload every Friday night. So if you subscribe, click the bell next to the subscribe button, and that will keep you notified of when we upload new videos. Also, I'll put a link below in the description below for my ebook. I've sold 4 copies of that so far. It's not going to make me rich, but every little penny helps. It all keeps the channel going. So does giving us a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment below, ask any questions you like, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now. It's that time of night, folks. It's bedtime. We're gonna go up the magic stairs. Here we go. We're moving. We're moving and I'm not walking.
Ingredients.
You're on candid camera.
1 kilogram of washed, peeled, seasonal vegetables. Select 5 or 6 from cauliflower, green beans, cucumbers, courgettes, tomatoes, carrots, shallots, peppers, nasturtium seed pods. Okay.
I think Tina's trying to tell me something.
cauliflower in Piccadilly.
There's cauliflower in Piccadilly. How was I to know?